Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm finally going to unbox my MINTD subscription box. So it is a high-end luxury monthly subscription box, and you get a choice to subscribe either on a monthly basis or on a every 2 months basis. So I subscribe on a monthly basis. I'm thinking I've got until Monday, to decide whether or not, Monday or Tuesday, to decide whether or not I want to sign up on a monthly basis or a second monthly to every 2 month basis, but we'll see about that. So I have received the October and November box. The October box was really delayed, not because of their fault, it's because of the flight. It was actually stuck in the airport in the UK for about 2 weeks, so weirdly enough. So yeah, but I finally got it, and then 1 week after I received my October box, I received my November box. So I kind of received both my boxes in mid-November. But what I'll do is I'll go through each box in a separate video because I don't want to make it too long. So here we have is a MINTD box. I've never actually thought about why it's called MINTD, Mint Designer. I don't know, I'm making it up. But this is a box. It comes white. It is come very protected. So this box is in another box, and the actual box is really sturdy. And I've mentioned in some of my videos, it's really important in terms of presentation and how you protect the products that you send out to your customer. So this is the box. I'll just show you what it looks like when you open it. So this is October, and you get a pamphlet, and in this pamphlet it actually talks about the products, the prices, which I love. I do want to know how much each product is costing, and tells you whether it's full size or travel size. This is probably one of the only box when they don't give you full size. The travel size is very generous. It pretty much looks like a full size to me. So this is the pamphlet, and it comes nicely wrapped up. It smells beautiful when you open it. It smells, I think because of this month, it is the Sleep series, and I can smell it's beautiful. So online they usually tell you what you're going to get the month before you before they send it out. So it's like a surprise for the month you get it, but you already know before you receive it, which is good because it also allows other people that want to subscribe decide whether or not they want to subscribe for the month or not. So I knew what I was going to get this month when I subscribed. So this is October, and it comes nicely packaged. Everything's in the box. See how nicely packaged and full of full-size products, and they're very well-known brand. So for $70 you get about 3 to 4 full-size products and some travel-size products, and it is $70 a month, and it will guarantee you at least over 150 dollars, which is by far, it's about over $200, which is great. So as I said, I pay $159 for this. So this month the box was a total value of 244 euros, which equals to 400 Australian, which is fantastic. You'll never get, like, if I show you what the products are now, you'll love it. So one of the products I want to show you first is I always have a problem pronouncing this name. It's the Omorovitska. It's the Queen of Hungary evening mist. So I do have the normal mist, which is I spray it on daily. That is a 200 ml. This one, I don't think this one comes in a 200 ml, but the evening mist actually is 100 ml. And for this one, it comes, this is 55 euros, and I actually checked it up on Mecca website, and it costs $105 or $109 for 100 mils. Yeah, so I'll open the product to show you what it looks like. It's really pretty. So it looks very similar to the one I've got that I used in the morning, but it's just for the evening one. They've got a little cute moon there, can you see? So cute. I love it. It smells amazing, guys. Like, it just smells good. I don't want to spray it now because it's not evening, but oh, this is not 100 mils, like this is 50 mils, and my full size is 100 mils. Correct, sorry, my mistake. But this is, it smells beautiful. Like, I'm telling you, this is a must. Out of this brand, I think this is my favorite. Like, I usually don't use mist, but this you have to use. I highly recommend, if you haven't used this before, go please try the smaller one for the day one, or I recommend try the daily one and then go to the evening one if you do like the daily one. But yeah, so that's what it is. So this mist, you spray it at night, of course, it's the evening. So it's inspired by a perfume created in the 14th century for the Queen of Hungary. This mist features an avocado evocative scent of including the relaxing aromas of lavender and bergamot to help calm the senses. So it's really nice, and it also helps to soothe the redness and puffiness away as well when you're sleeping. And it's infused with melatonin and magnesium salts. This evening mist supports the skin's natural repair process while you're sleeping. So fantastic. So as I mentioned, this is €70. This costs €55. This is $159 Australian. This is $103 to $105 Australian. This is what I mean by perfect. But then you think, yeah, how many skincare, trust me, skincare can you use, but I do love skincare more than makeup. However, I've just recently bought more mystery boxes. The next thing, which is also a full size, I'm pretty sure majority of us know this brand. It's the Aroma Therapy Associates London. So this is a full size. It is a 55ml. It's a muscle bath and shower oil. So it comes in a really nice box. I haven't opened it yet, but I will open it to show you what it looks like. They've actually done a really good job in sticking this together. Well, so they don't want during the flight. What happens is it might move around. So it comes in a really nice. This is what the box smelled like. So this is the full size. I know this was the featured one, and this is $49. So a soothing therapeutic bathing oil loaded with goodness of rosemary, ginger, lavender, and black pepper essential oils. So it will help you relaxes the body and the mind as well, and also repairs your tired muscles. So I've never used a bath and shower oil before. In terms, I usually use soap and stuff. I don't use the relaxation bath and shower oil, especially this brand, because this brand is quite expensive. So I did again Google online how much this costs us in Australia, and again this cost ranged between $100 and $109. So the bottle is beautiful, isn't it? Look at that. I loved, like, I'm a sucker for packaging. Oh, it's so beautiful. So let me see. Oh, I can open it. Let me just open it. Oh, very nice. It smells amazing. And the good thing as well I've noticed is this is actually not a glass bottle. It's kind of glass, but I think it can break, but it is harder to break than glass if you break it in the shower. So this is a full size, and this is $49. 49 euros and $100 to $109 in Australia. So I'll put this back. I haven't used this yet. So again, this is the October box. I have not used it yet, but I will look at using it soon. Oh, maybe I pulled it out too much. Maybe I'm not meant to pull the whole thing out. I don't know. Yeah, maybe, I don't know. Maybe I'm meant to open it. Oh, okay, I see. I'm meant to just open it on one side, but that's okay. It's done. Kind of broke the box. That's okay. There you go. Okay, so there are only 2 more products left. So one of them I'm really looking forward to it. This is I can't pronounce this, sorry guys. This is a travel size, and this is a Zellner's Melatonin B2 Advanced Repair Serum. So it is $55 in travel size, which are quite, but for some reason $55 travel size, but it's actually sold very expensive in Australia. So if I actually go online to try and look for it, the cheapest I actually found was about, there's actually one that says 180. There's one say 150 Australian, so I'll just average it out, say it's about 130 Australian. For some reason, I don't know why it's so expensive to ship it over or get it in Australia, but it's very expensive. Yeah, so this one is an advanced repair serum based off the science of synchronization of the cellular circadian rhythm. It supercharges with melatonin, enhances with vitamin B2 and power blend of restorative ingredients to maximize skin natural repair. Sorry guys, if you watch my videos, I'm really bad at pronouncing things. I was born in Australia, the failed one obviously. So I opened the bottle to show you what it is. As I said, this is travel size. A full size costs $95, which is still cheaper than Australia, because a full size in Australia is like $259. I'm not sure. I still don't understand why, but that's okay. So obviously MINTD does sell it for a very good price there. So this, how beautiful is the bottle? I love it. So it is a 10 mils for a travel size. So as I said, I rounded it off to about $140. So together, so if I was to buy this all in Australia, it would be costing me more than $400. This is why I'm really reluctant to cancel this subscription box. I love it. Once I show you the November box, you guys will understand like that. The last product, which I have not even ripped out of its package because I was waiting for this video. Sorry, you guys are gonna hear that sound of ripping. I will just rip it out. Here we go. So, I think it was, so it's Votari. So this is the Votari brand. Oh, sorry, I just had a fly past my face because I've got plants in the room. This is a full size and it's a 50 ml and it's intense overnight mask. Rosehip and hyaluronic ingredients. So this is probably one of the most expensive one out of the box. This is a full size and this is $85. So it is an intense overnight mask, a plant-based, which is great, plant-based skincare treatment designed to minimize the signs of aging, allowing the complexion to awaken with a more radiant and youthful appearance in the morning. So what you do is after cleansing, you put this over your clean skin generously, or over your face. So if you use facial oil, feel free to put this over it as well. And then leave on overnight and remove with your morning cleanser. Wake to a very best skin on Votari Glow. So you put it like a moisturizer. So after your face oil, just smooth around your face generally like what you do with your night moisturizer. But instead of but that night, obviously when you're using this, you don't want to put any other products on. And then in the morning, just rinse it off. So I like things like this. I've mentioned in one of my videos, I don't like masks where you put it on and then you rinse it out after 10 or 15 minutes because I find it very messy in terms of like I'll get water everywhere. But yes, so that's it. So guys, here we got it. We've got the 4 products and I'll go over again. So we've got the Evening Mist by Omorovitska. Sorry if I butchered that name. Then that was a full size Omorovitska Evening Mist, full size aromatherapy, shower, bath and shower oil. And then we've got the travel size advanced repair serum by Zelnis. And then we've got the full size Votari intense evening mask. So all up here equals €244, but as I mentioned, in Australia we are selling these products for way more. And if we were to get it individually overseas with pay like different taxes and everything and shipping, it will still end up a bit more. So I think I got a really good deal for $150. I reckon I got about over 450 Australian worth in terms of how much I buy Australian products. So I've saved about $300. So that's it, guys. That is the October MINTD box. I highly recommend you guys subscribe to it. They have recently updated their website, but highly recommend it. You would not regret it. Even the customers in Australia, you might find that the shipping fee might throw you off a bit, but it has not thrown me off. Okay. And it's definitely better than Lumibox, 100%. All right, guys, what I'll do is I'll just stop this video and I'll go on to the November box. Talk to you soon. Bye.